Hi, this is Karen with WTI. I was so glad that we got this Nuetsa power strip when we recently lost power in the house, and I wasn't sure that my computer was going to be okay, but it was. I'm so impressed on how compact this power strip is. I can hide it behind the printer on my desk and have everything that I need to be plugged in, be ready. Uh, and I love the fact that it has these three USB-C ports and a USB-C, so I can be charging any of my devices like my tablet or my phone, and of course, the most important one, my computer, so I know it will be okay. So I'm so relieved that we got this power strip. It has saved us quite a few times, and that's my point of view.